Okay students, today you can see I have made some letters, है ना. मेरे बच्चों ने कुछ letters दे रखे हैं and this special item is specially for class 1 and 2. So you have to arrange these letters into right orders to form animals name. अब animals name तो आपको पता है ना, class 1 and 2. ओके तो अब आपको ये जो लेटर्स है ये आपको राइट ऑर्डर में रखने हैं और एक एनिमल नेम बताना है. यू हैव टू गेस एनिमल्स नेम. ओके सो आर यू रेडी? यस ओके. ग्रुप 1. Now you can see these are letters and you have to arrange these letters into right order to form animal's name. Okay, now change your place. Final word. Speak.
Horse.
Very good. Go. 2. Change your place. Final word. Speak.
Wool.
Go. Group 3. Change your place. Final word. Speak.
Mouse.
Good. Go. Group 4. Change your place. Final word. एक साथ खड़े हो बेटा. Speak.
Tiger.
Good. Go. Group 5. Change your place. Final word. Speak.
Lion.
Good. Go. Group 6. 9 to pass time. Change your place. Final word. Speak.
Bull.
Very good. Go. Last group. Come. Change your place. Final word. ऊपर करके दिखाना. Final word. Final word. Take final word. Speak.
Deer.
Good.